The advantage of the Valutek Pre-wetted Wiper solution is the simplicity of what we call any substrate, any chemistry, any time. So what we mean by this is the client can pick a laser edge polyester wiper, they can pick a knife edge polyester wiper, they can pick a 2-ply polyester wiper, they can even pick a non-woven wiper substrate. So whatever substrate they'd like to pick, and then they can pick among the most common chemistry solutions. IPA, methanol, ethanol, and ethyl acetate. Let's talk a little bit about the chemistry concentrations. The most common chemistry concentration for pre-wetted wipers and for taking a dry wipe and pre-wetting it is 70% IPA, 30% ultra pure water, 70-30. The reason why a 70-30 is the most common concentration blend is because if you use 100% IPA, and as you can see here I have some different illustrations, this is 90% IPA, this is 70% IPA, this is 70% IPA. If you take 100% alcohol and you go to wipe the substrate surface with the wiper dries almost immediately. There's no water to cause the alcohol to linger. The benefit of a 70% IPA and the 30% DI water is that the DI water is slower to evaporate. And so with the 70% IPA, 30% DI water, you still get an effective kill in a life science or medical device setting. So 70% IPA will kill most common bacteria, but having the 30% water allows it to dwell. That's why 70-30 is the most common. For gowning room procedures, for wiping down things like smartphones and badges and cleanroom notebook covers, 6% or 10% IPA is more suited. You don't need a 70% IPA solution to wipe down a cell phone. A cell phone has pretty rigid surfaces. So you'll see 6 to 10% for gown rooms. You'll see 70% for the most common application. And then the benefit of what we call any substrate, any chemistry, any time is literally we have the opportunity to ask the end user, oh, tell me about how you use the wipe. How do you use a wiper for preventative maintenance? Where do you use the wipers in the chase areas? What you'll uncover once you open the book is that people are using special chemistry formulations for special areas. That's the benefit of the Valutek system, that we build these to order and they're custom. That's a disadvantage with the industry standard. The industry standard is basically mass produced and you're stuck with the most common chemistry concentrations being 70-30. So with Valutek you can have any substrate material, literally any chemistry, any time, in a refillable, resealable, hinge lid pail. Thank you.